Hey folks, it's Brett from BSDA, and what I wanted to give you today was just a quick tip to be able to better understand your audience on Facebook so that you can make decisions based on what your audience likes or when they're online, that kind of thing. So what we're going to do is just have a quick look at this Facebook page, and if you go onto your own Facebook page, across the top of the page here, there will be an option that says Insights, just like that. So you click on that one, and what this will do is it will tell us a lot more about the page, exactly what's going on. So as you can see straight away here, there's some statistics, information, and then if you look a little bit deeper, so for example, if you click on people, so this will tell us all about the people that visit this page. So as you can see, it's pretty well split between male and female. Up here, you can see 51% female, 48% male. And then you can also see things like the age demographic of the people that are looking at your page and obviously where they're located as well, potentially. Now, the age of people really matters, and their sex, because if, for example, you were going to run some ads on Facebook, it's really important to know who's already engaging with your business, with your brand, so that you can target those ads to get more of those people. So by starting here and understanding this audience, it'll actually give you a really good indication as to who you could be looking at potentially targeting with your ads, as long as those audiences match up and they're the right kind of audience that you want to go with. That's today's tip for Tuesday, just the Tip Tuesday. So enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. Have a great day.